Low, 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 low. ENS Journey subs. What it do? I am back. I am back, 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 back. So, remember I told y'all I was cooking, make my empanadas. So, I just showed y'all a little bit of hot finishing touches, that good old grease. Yeah, those are the chicken ones in the orange. Because my son don't eat fish. So I had to make my chicken and my fish one. And I'm super stoked because I never did the salmon one. So now, you know, let me just show y'all. Let me show y'all. Yeah. Here's the fish one. Let's see. So I made sure to do that like that because so they'll know, you know. I'm still making more, so I won't have to make any more today. You know, here's my fish one. Make sure your grease is nice and hot. Oh, by the way, so I showed y'all the pan I was using for my salmon to cook. Here's my pan because it's kind of deep. So I like to do that for my fish or empanadas or chicken. We don't eat red meat in this house. We stopped eating red meat. So that's a bonus. Like I said, thank y'all for tuning into our channel. We really appreciate the support. Let me put y'all up here. Whew. And I was telling y'all guys my knee from driving. I got a damn mosquito in this house. I don't know how it got in here. We have screens in the window. I really don't know. It probably came in from somebody. The mosquito probably came in from somebody coming in the house or whatever. So, you know, I gotta get it out because I don't want them to take my blood. As you can see, I'm always vlogging all the time. If I'm not at work, I'm vlogging. I just was so super passionate about doing this. I really just wanted to do it just to see, get an idea of what my calling is. Like I said, just because we're just starting this channel, I didn't really get into full detail yet and talking in my spiritual way and my regular way. There's power in the tongue. So normally when I say things to people, it happens. I don't know why, but certain people, you know, I gotta be around you a certain amount of time. My vibe will click. If my spirit always in the whirlwind, then I know that it's something that I need to pray over or speak about. So, getting back to my empanadas. Other than that, like I told y'all, I really enjoy cooking. I really enjoy experimenting and trying new things to cook with. I like to mess around with, you know, with different types of foods. I recently purchased these wontons. So I'm actually gonna do like a shrimp type wonton. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but you know how, if anyone know about the crab ragoon wontons, I'm gonna do the shrimp ragoon wonton, something like that. Stay tuned on that. You will see a lot of me cooking and, you know, just doing different things. Like I said, I see a lot of people who do like pranking and all that. I don't know if I'm there yet. Because I'm really not a good pranker, so I don't think I will ever try it. I don't know. You never know. Hey, I might wake up and say, you know what, I'm gonna prank somebody. So I don't know, because my husband is a kind of serious guy, so like if I kind of try to prank him or say something crazy as a prank, he might get like real disrespectful. You know what, I might try it one day. I'm gonna think of something. I'm so stoked because I smell the salmon because it's so fresh. So I smell it in banana, and it smells so good. So I think I'm gonna get my nephew to try it because I think my husband is sleeping. He's always the first one to go to sleep. It's always hard for me to go to sleep because my mind is always on 1,000. That I gotta figure out why my brain is always on overload. I'm always thinking, I'm always wondering my next move. I'm always worrying. I'm a big worrier, and I have to stop doing that. I really, really do have to stop doing that. I worry about so much. I worry about others before I worry about myself, and that right there I have to stop doing because people don't worry about you. You know, it's so crazy because I'm a big texter, right? And I always text. Now, anybody who's my family and friends that is following this channel will know. I do text just to check on you. Hey, I hope all is well, or I send you little positive quotes or whatever. Some respond, some don't. I get it. I do it because my heart is just that pure. And sometimes from the people who I normally speak to all the time, I expect them to like hit me up, you know, hey, what's up, how are you? And I don't get that. And I had to realize that, you know what, I do this not for a response. I do this because that's me. But sometimes, just sometimes, you would like for somebody to say, how you doing? How's your day going? How you feeling? Don't get me wrong now. I do have some people that will, you know, contact me. But like people who I expect to be my closest. But then they want to hit you up when they in need. Can I borrow? Can I hold? Can you take me? Can you do this for me? And regardless of how I'm feeling, I still do it. My husband said, you gotta stop being nice. You can call me wee hours in the morning and I'm gonna answer my phone. That's just who I am. But I have to stop being available to people. Because it's like, they don't make themselves available for me. If I need you for $1, can you parch my throat? If I need you just to fill my belly, are you going to feed me? If I need you to be my eyes so I can move around, would you be able to see for me? If I needed you to wash the clothes on my back, would you allow me to walk outside funky? You know? If I needed help with a roof over my head, would you give me your couch to lay on? You feel what I'm saying? If I needed a ride to 2 states out of New York, would you be able to be that lift for me? So these are the things that I, you know, fight with all the time. You know? Because what you don't do for me, I do for you. You know? That's just me. You know what I mean? If I needed footwear on my feet, would you be able to walk with me? You know, things like that. I sit there and be like, damn, well, will they do that for me? Will they do that for me? And the answer is, heck no. Because some of the people I go out the limb for don't even think about going out the limb for me. But hey, you can't expect something from somebody that's been doing the same thing for years. You know what I mean? You can't expect that. So I gotta take that with a grain of salt and eat it up and continue to be who I am and walk in my faith as God gives me the power and the strength to do everything that I need to do. And He gonna say, my child, this is your gift. Regardless of what they do to you, you still gonna keep walking in your path because that's who you are. That's who you are. That's your calling. That's your sprinkle of dust over you. You can't change that because that's you. That's what makes you you. That's because your heart is pure. But I still, regardless of God's sign giving me all the right signs, I still struggle with that because I don't have acceptance. You hear that? Acceptance. So until I come to the conclusion of acceptance of the things that I do and don't expect more from what the person do than I do for them, I'm going to continue to battle with my struggle. I am. But for those who do reach out, who do look out for me, who always got my back, I thank you. Who always come out and support. Bet you if I say, yo, I'm cooking dinner, a big dinner, you coming through? I'm gonna tell you what they're gonna do. Hell yeah, what time? Because anybody that knows me when I cook from my heart. I make love to my food. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy watching people eat my food as they enjoy it, you know. So the moral of the story is, do to others as you want done to you. Please. Please. Just please. Try. Try. Just try. I just had to get that off my chest. Now when you want to go somewhere, you want to scream, or you want to do something, shout, something, punch, something. Thank y'all for allowing me to vent to you, because that was my something I needed to do. So once again, y'all, thank you. Thank God. God bless. Like, subscribe, comment. Put that notification bell on. Get with it. Get on this journey with us. Well, it's mainly me right now, because my husband don't be. Let me tell you, he's not a social media kind of guy. So he's adjusting. He's trying to learn how to do this. But me, I'm all on social media except for Facebook. I do have a Facebook page, but I haven't been on it because there was a lot of negativity going on after I got married, and that was my detox, you know, my cleansing from there. I will get back on it when it's the right time. So I haven't been on it almost 2 years. September 17th, 2016 was the last time I was on Facebook. Sometimes you got to detox from the world. So I'd rather stay on Instagram. Because guess what? Nobody can really do too much, because then I can just, you know, delete you. Or people who I don't rock with try to get in your DM, and then they try to be in your DM, but you gotta approve them or decline them. That's what I like. See, Facebook Messenger, they can send you a message and that's that. Nope, sorry, try again. Try again. So, once again, my ENS Journey subs, thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to always put yourself first. I'm learning that, so I'm able to share that with you guys. And not all the time people are going to do what you do for them, so that is okay. I'm learning that too. I am a work in progress, so is everyone else. I'm not perfect. I have flaws. I have a lot of flaws, so I will work with myself. Self-help is the best help. Stay confident, my beautiful women of all shapes, sizes, colors. You understand that? I'm sorry I'm a little dry here. I gotta put my scrub and stuff on my face. But anyway, always remember. Walk in your calling. Keep your faith. Keep your faith in the man upstairs, because he will never steer you wrong. Thank you, thank God, and God bless.